What is up, folks? Meatball again. This time, bringing you another snack food review. Coming off of Halloween last month, you've had your candy, you're stuffed to the brim. But of course, Thanksgiving won't be too far away. So, there's always stuff to get sugary with. And I'm trying something that I personally haven't tried before. It's these little Oreo handy snacks thing. You know the little cracker and cheese dippers that you had as a kid? This is basically the same thing. But it's just an Oreo wafer and, ooh, Oreo filling. Which, honestly, that's pretty genius. Yeah, I'll throw that down here. And I'll give the camera a closer look here. Yeah, you can see the Oreo texture there. Then you got your filling there. So yeah, you've got 6 sticks and some frosting. Look at that snap. Alright. Let's see how this is, because I am curious. It's like really, really frosting like. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. It's like dipping your hand into the mixing bowl and getting a scoop on your finger. This is perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. So yeah, what you see is what you get. Sugary cookie dipped into a sugary frosting. That's more the consistency of I don't want to say cream cheese, but it's like, yeah, very like like bakery frosting like. Mm. Tastes very familiar. Pretty much fits right in along with the other Oreo cookie lineup. But yeah, these you can take pretty much on the go. Yeah, instead of whipping out your box of Oreos, you can just say, hey, want one of these? And they'll be like, oh, what's this? Oh, it's just Oreo filling you dip on a stick. Hmm. Hmm. That is good, though. Mm. Get some break action in there. And ooh, I've got quite a lot of filling left. Let's get all that on there. We do not waste in this house. Mm. And at least for me, this frosting is very, very rich, so I wouldn't recommend having more than one in one sitting. I get the appeal of a sugar rush, but personally, sugar is something I only do so often. How I get my sugar is mainly through fruit, but yeah, this is very good. So, what did I think of it? Very sugary, very good, very filling in a small package. I give that 9 out of 10. Mm-hmm. Yeah, nice, good container. What else do I have to say about this?